All right, today we're going to do a video of a 2014 Okamoto 1224 EXB surface grinder. It has the FANUC MDI control. This one has the three-step cycle feature. The machine is presently wired 220 volts. It has a coolant system. You also see a multi-tap transformer, the book, the leveling pads. Your hydraulics are running right now. We're going to start the wheel. Wheel's nice and quiet. The machine is equipped with an over-the-head dresser. You can see in the photos. Going to start our table. You can speed up and slow down the table with the potentiometer on the control panel. I'm going to stop the table. It has an electromagnetic chuck. You can see there. Works. I'm going to jog the axes around for you so you can hear. That's your up and down or your Y axis. Nice and smooth, nice and quiet. And you also have your Z axis, which is your in and out. Also nice and smooth. Crank your table manually by hand too. You can still use it as a conventional surface grinder. You can see your control over here. That basically does it. Serial number is 73171. It can be seen under power. Thank you for watching.